Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this analysis many times before, but definitely want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend. Biggest volume this chart has had for months upon months, and the bears really took a pretty big bite out of things today. So want to get some key overall levels from the technical point of view mapped out going into next week. The first key level is nothing fancy. It's just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken. So going into today, that pink line there was an important area of support. That is the 200-day simple moving average. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day moving average. And you know that when the price is above it, you want the price to stay up above it. But in that case, it did not act as support. So therefore, this would be the near-term level of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be right around the $3.10 mark. But as of right now, given the amount of downwards momentum, the top priority seems to be more so kind of where are these levels of support at? Where are some potential areas where the price could stabilize? So the first level of support, which from the eyeball test, it's looking like that's where the price bounced from today. But let's see, was right here at this consolidation area. So pretty close, right there around $2.10. If you go back into the history of things, you can see that this area right there acted as a consolidation point for quite a bit before a nice move upwards. So good sign that the price was able to hold above there. I mean, had the price just gone on there and just crushed down through that level and never even looked back, that definitely wouldn't have been a very good thing. But to give credit to, the bulls were able to hold above that area of support and even use it as a bounce point. The next key overall level of support, in the event that the level does not hold next week, would be down here at right around the $1.70 mark. So again, $2.10, $1.70, next couple areas of support going forward. And again, if there is any sort of bounce to the upside, then the first key resistance level that'll need to be broken back up above is that 200-day simple moving average. So very brutal day, but for those of you that have traded for a while, I'm sure you're well aware that stocks like this that get beat down in a hurry can produce some very interesting price dynamics. So we'll see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.